Thanks for stopping by. You can see I'm in a PowerPoint. I'm going to quickly review how to get a calendar snack. Here we go. Simply, you're going to pull out your calendar. You're going to use create at calendarsnack.com in your calendar client. In this case here's a Google one, create at calendarsnack.com. I used it and I got a calendar snack. This whole process takes 10 seconds. The calendar snack's going to be sent to the organizer's email address. So simply in this calendar here, this is my Google Calendar, Greg at TechVader. Greg at TechVader received an email with a calendar snack he was able to click, and I'm going to show you live how that all works. So magically, here we are, and I am going to show you that this is my original calendar here, and on the date of the 22nd of August, I used this Google Calendar. Let me populate it here, open it up so you can see it all. And in this Google Calendar, I used create at calendarsnack.com. And when I did that, I got this calendar snack, which was sent to me right here. And when I click this calendar snack live, we're going to go right into the calendar snack here. And I'm going to pull out something called a modal. And these modals are pre-built. You don't need to do anything. And that's called a calendar landing page. In this calendar landing page, you can share it with anybody, obviously, because it has its own URL address unique to this calendar snack for your event. So I'm going to show you live how it works on sending calendar invitations. So I'm going to send one to Mandy at TechVader, TechVader, right here, excuse me. And you can see right now the modal itself is going to transact. It's going to say a invitation's been sent to Mandy at TechVader. This is Mandy at TechVader's email right here. I'm going to make this a little bigger so you can see it all. You can see this was the original modal on the left side it was sent from. And the cool thing is, if I click this button here, I'm going to say maybe. I'm pretend I'm Mandy at techvader.com. You can see her address right here, Mandy at TechVader. I'm going to go back here to the dashboard, and here's the dashboard for the original calendar snack. I can make this a little bigger. And what I'm going to do is refresh this dashboard, and you're going to see that 2 calendar invites have been sent. If I go to detailed report, in that detailed report, you're going to also see Mandy here at techvader.com. It says no action. We can see over here in her calendar client, it says maybe. So all you have to do is wait a second because this is being refreshed in AWS. I'm going to hit refresh here, and you're going to see down here that Mandy is maybe again. So we're just going to have a little play here, a little fun. I'm going to say yes now, and so that's a calendar receipt back to the AWS service in which this is built on. And you can see here, I said yes, it says maybe over here still. So back in the cloud service, we're counting these invitations, or called calendar receipts, and you see it's still in the status of maybe, yet this is yes over here. So let's just give it a second, internet second, as we say, and give it one more. I'm going to hit refresh, and it says yes. So there you go. So how would I get this detailed information? Well, I'm going to click Get a Report, and it's going to say an email report's been sent to Greg, who is the calendar snack generator here, who has generated this calendar snack. Here's the report. I'm going to download it, and you see real quickly here on the screen, I'll just populate the screen real quick so it's just easier for you to see. You can see that Mandy has accepted as indicated over here. Now if you want this report downloaded, just click the button, double click it here, and you have your own really great little report overall every time you send out calendar snacks. You can see this one here. So that's pretty cool. I'll put that stuff away and go back to the original, and I'm going to shrink my screen overall, and I'm going to go back to it, and we're going to role play what if Mandy has received this on her calendar. We know the calendar snack system is up to date in the dashboard here, but what if we have a change overall with Greg, who generated this original calendar snack, and he wants to update the calendar snack itself to indicate everyone downstream, including Mandy, has received the calendar invitation already from the modal, which was right here. There's some kind of update going on. So that original one was for 10:30. So let's role play and say Greg wants to go back to his original calendar, which is right here. He pulled it out. He originally set it up and got a calendar snack generated. He wants to now change this event. So downstream somewhere, Greg is saying, hey, look, this event's going to go start in the afternoon. We're going to start a little later at 3:30. He's going to hit save, and you'll see what's happened, which is the propagation of all this information in the cloud service, AWS cloud service, back to the calendar snack. It's super cool. It works in the background. You don't have to worry about it. And sometimes a little tougher to get an idea of what's going on. But let's go back to the 22nd. You can see I changed it to 3:30 Mountain Standard Time. I'm going to go back to the calendar snack, the original one, which was set at 10:30. And you can see now it's starting at 3:30. But the more important thing is what happens downstream to anybody that has actually received a calendar invitation, what's going on with them. And you can see way downstream to Mandy, who's received the calendar invite, which we're tracking over here, this invitation's been updated. And so basically we're asking her to confirm again, hey, it's a big jump in a day. Do you still want to go? Mandy's going to say yes. I'm going to refresh the screen over here, and you'll see that Mandy will say yes downstream. Now, we just saw a yes from Mandy. She's still green light. Let's take a quick peek here in this detailed reporting what's going on. So what if Mandy says, you know, I'm still yes, is indicated by the service. You know, I've checked with the family. It's definitely a no. You know, they changed the time on me. I just don't have time for this now. So I'm going to refresh the Calendar Snack information detail reporting dashboard here. I'm going to refresh it one more time. You can see Mandy said no over here due to the fact that we changed it. It's going to start later. And you're going to see finally that this yes becomes a no. I'm just going to update it one more time. Give it another internet second. And you'll see this decline. So there you go. That's the end of the demo. It's a little long, but it kind of explains all our great technology in the Calendar Snack system. Thanks.